In this video, we do a camp, fish, and cook. Except we gotta get through the ice to get her done. She's gonna be wild. Let's get to her. All right, well, here we go. We made it to the first stop, and now the boys are setting off to the next stop. And then hopefully we get through the ice over to the spot we want to go. We want to go over there, but it's still really frozen. There's an island down there we want to camp at, so we're thinking maybe tomorrow. And there's a spot there, but we're gonna go past that one to another one. So hey Andy, we'll see. We got 2 boats and 5 guys and a dog, so we're just doing runs. We'll check in after, right? Bye. Here comes my water taxis. She is icy. Oh goodness, this is gonna be a good ride. Well, they made it through once, so we should get through twice. What do you think, Heidi? Let's get her done.
Inlet.
Yeah, possibly.
Well, we want to go through over there, don't we?
No, it's up here.
No, it's through there.
We thought it was earlier, but it's...
Well, poke your nose in.
I'm gonna try.
That's thick.
It looks thick.
Yeah.
It's a little slushy though.
This is where it gets thicker.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe tomorrow. She is frozen. Whew. That is fresh. Get out on the point. Good morning. She is still frosty out there. Oh, got a loon. Morning, Joe. She's still frozen. No fish. Woo! Beauties. Ready? Oh! That has gotta be cold. Woo, 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 woo. Ice out camp for sure. You crazy bastard. Whew. Oh.
Pretty warm.
Nachos on the menu. The ice is breaking up. Sun's going down. Nachos good. Sun's going down. It's gonna be a good night. The Great Canadian Beaver.
Smells like fish.
Nope, one lickle fish. Well, that's her, the big ice out. 5 guys and a dog. I have to wait for my ride to come back and get me. We only brought 2 canoes. Heidi. Only 2 fish. Pretty poopy, but it's still great. We avoided the camp guy too. We didn't have to pay camp fees.